Oh my gosh. This is cool. Reason why this is so cool is because for all of them to be all in the same place. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So my name is Aniqua, and I am the artist, the designer behind My Kind of Thing, a handmade company that specializes in one-of-a-kind handmade dolls, particularly dolls of color, and even more specifically, black and brown dolls. I have been creating and designing since about May 2013. I focus heavily on designing black dolls, because I'm a black woman who used to be a little black girl who played with a wide range of dolls. I just wanted to create things that would boost the self-esteem of little black and brown children. Okay, the first thing I always do with skin tone related things is I try to find my shade. So, which one would I be? I think I'm kind of a nutmeg. For a long time, it was kind of like a scavenger hunt for myself and my fellow doll makers, because we wanted to get as many shades as we possibly could to represent as many people as we can. And it's something we had been talking about for a long time, having a good, strong collection of colors that reflect the various shades of skin tones. And Lion Brand was up for the challenge. And so through talking and consulting, came up with 12 really great colors. And having 4 shades of light, 4 shades of medium, 4 shades of dark, it's cool. It's very, very cool to see all in one place, 4-ply acrylic, not too thin. So it's kind of perfect for doll making. You used the name. Okay, so this is a surprise and I'm super excited. The reason why I'm super excited is because I was doing a little bit of research and I thought it would be such a cool name for a skin tone, because ebony wood is super expensive because the trees take a really long time to mature and grow. So ebony furniture, ebony pieces are very, very expensive, and it's a really pretty dark brown wood. Coming up with the names, I was thinking along the lines of like a nature theme. Not the typical colors used to describe skin. One of the ones that was really, really important to get is the darkest. And so this, I know a lot of people are probably like, it's only yarn. It's not. This range it was important. And I'm glad that somebody did it. It's really, really cool to see. And I think that it'll allow for us to have more of a realistic depiction and representation for what we really look like as people, just overall. We come in so many different shades and tones and colors, and it's nice that it's you can get this big of a range in one space. I'm glad to have been able to collaborate with Lion Brand to do this. The amount of paying attention that Lion Brand did on this particular thing, it's important. It means a lot, and I'm excited to share it. I can't wait to create like specific things for these. I'm like here overstimulated because I have so many ideas.